the videographer that did the Black Swan, in that same video, he shows you water obstructing the oil rigs.
The Black
saying
Swan.
this is what you normally see.
The Black Swan's a logical argument, right? Not a picture.
No, it's broken. It's an illogical argument.
No, the Black Swan is a logical argument, right?
Go ahead and debunk it logically, Left Lane.
Yeah, he talks about the 1.22 times the square root of the observer's height in feet.
Wait, no, wait a minute.
Geometry.
Sorry.
That's the geometry.
No, you're talking about...
He leaves out refraction. He leaves out refraction. He doesn't consider
the logical
refraction.
statement that QE brought, not the Black Swan, right? The Black Swan is just the proof of one thing proves that... Right, one sighting of a black swan proves that not all swans are white. Right, that's the basic principle of the black swan. Right.
Well, that's it. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's not what you're not talking about debunking that, are you?
Yeah. The image is severely refracted, and the argument he makes is flawed.
Oh, you're talking about QE's argument. Not the Black Swan.
Either way you want to do it.
Okay. Do you want to start off with the Black Swan then? If you do the Black Swan, debunk the Black Swan, and then we'll deal with what QE's argument was.
The Black Swan is an outlier. It's not what you normally see.
Mm-hmm. And the proof of one Black Swan disproves the statement all swans are white, right?
Yep.
Right, so you can't debunk the Black Swan as a logical concept, right?
Yeah, he doesn't use it that way, though. That's why the argument's flawed.
Who's he?
QE.
Right, so you aren't talking about the Black Swan. You're talking specifically about QE's argument, are you?
Yeah, the Black Swan... As a black swan is just simply stating that all swans are not white, but that's not the way he uses this image in his argument. He says, "I've got one image that's severely refracted. That means Earth's flat, and that's not accurate."
I don't think that's the way it's laid out, is it?
Yeah, that you're misrepresenting the whole argument.
Yeah, do you know what QE's argument is? Can you recite it out to us? Because that doesn't seem like you know
I can verbatim, but I mean it's been done, and I think it's sort of childish and silly to sit here and quote shit like that. Everybody knows the.
But your interpretation seemed completely wrong with it.
Hey, right? Am I part of that? Everyone, Howard? Am I everyone?
I don't know. Do you not know it?
I'd like Howard to tell us.
I know it well enough that Howard just misrepresented it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. If Earth is a sphere with a radius of 3959, then the horizon can be no more than 1.22 miles times the square root of the observer's height in feet. And then it goes on. The horizon isn't at 1.22 miles. Therefore, Earth is flat. Yeah.
Well, the Earth is not a sphere, right?
Yeah, but it's a broken argument.
Listen, right. So look, even in your P, you didn't have flat Earth, right? So just stick to the claims of the syllogism. So it's not that the horizon isn't at 1.22 miles, therefore the Earth is flat. It's simply the horizon isn't at 1.22 miles. Right. It's just an observation. It's an observation.
Yeah, I'll agree with that.
Right? Which is the same thing you just called George's stuff. You called it yourself an observation. Congratulations.
It is an observation. But
yeah, exactly.
It's got a very rich data set attached to it.
Yeah, that shows all the refractions that he assumes there is.
No.
Yes,
the conclusion.
That's exactly what he said it was for in the beginning, was refraction tests.
The conclusion of George's observation is Earth is a sphere.